as a second time founder, maybe, I was slightly more wiser, or let's just put it this way, that all the mistakes that I committed in my first startup, I at least knew that I don't want to commit those mistakes, right? Uh, and To me, back then in 2019, right, I felt that building a B2C consumer internet company in India is very, very, I would say, uh, luck based, right? You might have the best insights, but there is a lot of luck beyond your control that has to, work in your favor for the company to actually scale. Also back then, and I think it is by and large true even today, right? Consumer internet companies have found it really, really difficult to, kind of make big money to become profitable, right?